Hello, my little unicorns. Mrs. Arnold here, talking to my computer, pretending I'm actually talking to you. I am going to make a quick screencast video for you today because without you guys having the ability to come to the library, maybe because we've had distance days for the smoke, I'm going to give you another option to let me know that you want a book, and then I can have it pulled, checked out, and ready to go as soon as you're back in the building. So to start off, just a reminder, when you get to your desktop, you're going to look for the Destiny program. My icon is the tree. Your Destiny icon is a blue and orange diamond. We're going to double click on that. And then this is actually the screen you guys will see next. You're going to click this blue bar because that's just your single sign-on. Because I want to pretend to be a student, am going to log in as my favorite library aide, Erin. Sorry, Erin, I'm stealing your identity. And boom, Destiny Discover says, welcome, Erin. I'm Erin. So anyways, now we're looking for a book. You've already checked one out so far. You've read it. Maybe you've taken an AR test. You're ready to return it, but you need another book ready to go. As soon as you walk in the building, it's going to be waiting in your ELA classroom. What will that book be? You have a few options. You can use the search box, search topics you like dog fiction, sports fiction, mystery fiction. You can always download an ebook. You can always download an audiobook. But remember to come down to these topics because I think this is a great place to start. So let's say Erin is really interested in some romance. You click on the romance topic. Sorry, Erin. You're my guinea pig. Anyways, click on the romance topic and it's going to bring up all the books in the library that are connected to romance. Now, here's where it gets a little tricky. I don't want you to put holds on books that are out because you're looking for your immediate next book, and I will run a report and then get that book checked out and delivered to you. So we're going to pretend we're still in the library and we're only going to look at books with the green triangle marked in. So looking at the green triangle, you know it's in. Again, you're going to pretend you're in the library. I want you still to click on the title, read the summary, see if it's a book you connect to or if it's interesting. Double check that it is the first book in the series. If it looks like it is a good match and it's in, I want you to go ahead and click this hold button. That is going to put your name into a list that tells me you want that book. I will run the list. I will check the book out to you. I will mark who your ELA teacher is, and I will get those books delivered so they're ready to go when you are back in the building. Okay? Any questions? I always want you to remember you come back to the home of Destiny Discover, and my cell number is right here. You send me a text message. You don't know how something works. You're not quite sure how to put a hold on a book. You need more help. Shoot me a text, and I will help guide you through this process.